Hello, I'm Chris Perkins, broker owner with Coldwell Banker Maritime Realty, and today I'm in beautiful Bedford on an equally beautiful deck. I mean, look at the deck. It's amazing. It's quiet back here. We've got these lovely lights as well. Imagine yourself sitting back here on a summer evening enjoying time with your friends. And it's exactly what they did here as well. There's been so many happy memories made in this house. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, including a walkout basement, perfect for your teenagers or your in-laws because it has a bedroom with its own ensuite. Everything from this house from top to bottom has been completely upgraded. It's move-in ready. It's the perfect family home. Welcome to 28 Masts Way.